I'm Mark with Inbound Revenue. I just want to give you a little background on how and why I created this course. I call it Google Ads Essentials, and there's a lot of Google Ads courses out there, of course. Now, first of all, this entire series is focused on search campaigns, building out search campaigns, primarily local lead generation. So if you're a pool cleaning company or a landscaper, or roofer, or any local service, med spa, whatever, this course is intended for you. Now, a lot of the courses out there are excellent, don't get me wrong, and they cost money, or there are some cases where there's nice free videos on YouTube. All of ours currently are free up on YouTube, and the way we've approached it is rather than have an hour and a half course that you have to sit through with every aspect of building out a campaign, is we've broken it down into what we call Google Ads Essentials. Short videos, I'm trying to keep them 1 to 3 minutes, but definitely under 5 for the most part, unless the topic just really requires it to be more than 5 minutes long, so that you can go through and just grab those parts that you need or want, the information that you really want to have in front of you. So let's say, for example, you just want to know how to set up your locations, what the right settings are to have for your location tracking on a campaign setup, or you just want to know something about negative keywords. We put together an index, which is going to be on the Inbound Revenue website, that points you specifically to that 1 to 3 minute video or that short video that addresses the point that you are trying to resolve, the issue you're trying to resolve, the knowledge you're attempting to gain. However, if you want to learn front to back, you can simply go through and watch the videos in order, follow the index and watch the videos in order, and at the end you'll have a really good idea of how to build a Google Ads search campaign for local lead generation, also how to optimize a Google Ads campaign for local lead generation. You'll know more about conversion tracking, landing pages, third-party software, and you'll learn some tips and tricks and just different things that go into Google Ads that you wouldn't think about when you first start out. So I'm going to take my 20 plus years of knowledge and all the clients we've worked with at Inbound Revenue for the last 10 years, all that knowledge, pour it all into this course and try to make it easy for everybody to get through and find the things that they want. If there are things that you want to learn that isn't covered here, or I didn't cover the way you wanted me to, leave comments on the videos. After you subscribe to the Inbound Revenue YouTube channel, of course, reach out to us at inboundrevenue.com. Let us know what else you might want to see here. I'll be glad to produce the content if it's something I can be helpful with. And if you have any questions at all, or if you're looking for someone to help you with your Google Ads, either as a white label provider for your agency or directly to help you with your Google Ads for your business, please reach out to us at inboundrevenue.com. We put all our pricing on the website. We've got a number of options for you. Jump on there, take a look at it. We really appreciate it. Please subscribe to the channel. Please leave me feedback. I appreciate it. If you want to, you can find me on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, as well as YouTube, as well as the inboundrevenue.com website. I look forward to bringing you more information, more content. Please give me your feedback. I'm looking forward to it. Hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoy the Inbound Revenue Google Ads Essentials course.